Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about more stylish and gorgeous collection of most demanding women collection. Women stylish and beautiful crochet flower handbag designs, beautiful designing ideas. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoy the best condition of health. I am back again with most stylish, most demanding collection of women stylish, beautiful crochet flower handbag designs. Beautiful designs, beautiful ideas, beautiful color combination contrasts for you. Washable handbag designs, beautiful designing ideas, beautiful color combination contrasts, colorful flower handbag designs. You can carry when you go in the birthday party, wedding party with matching dress designs, matching dress colors, or school, college, office work when you go. Beautiful and stylish crochet flower handbag designs. If you want to buy these very beautiful handbag designs, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, ETSY.com and Amazon. Please friends, subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Gives you feedback in the comment section about my collection. How was the video and how was the designs of beautiful and stylish crochet flower handbag designs. You can see my ideas, you can enjoy my videos. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.